Referral code for Uber driver. So if you are Uber driver and you're using this app Uber driver, you can create a referral code, refer another new drivers and earn some additional revenue. New drivers which you refer, then they must sign up with your invite code and complete a set number of trips or meet other criteria. So in the driver app, go to earnings tab, click invite friends now, click on send invite at the bottom of your screen and share a referral link to your friends. Check the status of your referrals and potential rewards. On the website, choose invites from the main menu, access the same information as the driver app. So after the successful referral, you will receive email or in-app notifications, and the reward appears in miscellaneous or other payment section of your statement within 1 to 2 weeks. So that's the idea. I don't know which amount you can get, but that can be nice additional revenue, especially if you have a lot of friends or nice audience somewhere on YouTube, on Instagram. So if you haven't received a reward, there can be multiple reasons. First, that the rider might not have used your invite code. You can still ask them to add the invite code even after they created an account, as I understand. Maybe your friend hasn't taken the set number of rides, so it's not just enough to invite your friend. Your friend still needs to complete at least few rides, or maybe your friend already had a previous Uber account. In that case, your invite code just not gonna work. So that's what it is.